Hello, this is Itsu. Okay, this is my little setup, still the TL494, and this is my push-pull setup. We have the yoke here, we have the series remark cap going to the inductor around the grenade, and the output of the grenade into this 40 watt bulb. I removed the Oleg snubber, which was also at the between the MOSFETs and the yoke, and I put now this little circuit board in between. It consists of the two black choke-like inductors, 1 millihenry. We have show the other diode, but it's a little bit hard. We can see one diode here for one primary, and another one here, and then the both caps. So it's a little print with the 4 diodes, the 2 caps and the 2 chokes, as drawn by Voigt. We've seen the picture before. I have now removed the RC snubber, which was underneath on both sides. One leg is disconnected, the resistor, and when I fired it up I had this massive ringing back again. So this non-dissipative snubber is not able to suppress the ringing. We have a fairly large peak, but it's similar as with the RC, and it causes this ringing. So we still need the RC snubbers to tackle the ringing if needed. I mean, I think that Nick says that this ringing is needed, so you can make your choice, Nick, what you want to do, with ringing or without. And you can see that it's within the specs of your MOSFETs. The peak is 103 or 122 volts. And that's only with this non-dissipative snubber board. Okay, I have it running now on this battery pack, 24 volts, and I will now switch over to this what is it, 24 volts power supply, to see if it makes any difference. Like Voigt reported that putting a cap there will influence the signal. So I will take a snapshot of this one and then another one later on with the power supply instead of the battery. Okay, hang on. Okay, welcome back. I have changed it from my battery stack over there to this 24 volt 10 amps power supply, LED power supply. I have some extra chokes there, common mode choke, and some capacitors smoothing out the output, and it's 24.2 volts at almost 6 amps, which was similar at the battery. We are at resonance, and we still have the RC snubbers disconnected, so we have this ringing signal, which Nick likes. I want to make some temperature measurements now to see how things behave. First, the MOSFETs without any cooling, it's 33 degrees Celsius. The other MOSFET similar, 32. Now concentrating on the little choke, the 1 milli Henry choke 30 degrees 28, the other one 30 degrees Celsius. Now pointing to a diode, one of the D3 or D4 I think it is, 38 degrees, and this one is one of the outer diodes, 43 Celsius, and this is the other one, 40 degrees Celsius. So the diodes are a little bit elevated in temperature, also the capacitor about 40 degrees. Probably the inductor is also heating up because there's a lot of current running there, 46 degrees. But not really getting very hot. These diodes, the upper diodes directly connected to the 24 volts, are getting around 40-45 degrees. The chokes, the caps, another cap, and the MOSFET, the other MOSFET. So I think it's acceptable, and it will stabilize around what is it, 40 degrees. Perhaps with some Schottky diodes it would be better, but up till now I guess it's okay. Inductor getting really hot now, to the touch, very warm, yeah. 60 degrees Celsius. 6 amps, 24 volts. One of the upper diodes to the plus 44 degrees, so they stabilize at 44-45 degrees. The one next to the choke, 41 also. So it's not really getting really hot. But well, I would like to have this RC snubbers installed, because I would not want to see this ringing. And perhaps we can optimize the ringing, because it's higher in frequency than where this RC was calculated for, but I guess it's okay. Well, hopefully this sheds some light on this new snubber. Thank you for watching.